Hello, my name is Muhammad Mukhi bin Junaidi and I will be acting as Amir and I will be the kid that get bullied.
Yeah.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Aizat Firdaus bin Abdul Walid, and in this project I will be Amir, one of the bullies.
Hi, I am Ahmad Malum Hafiz. I will be one of the bullies along with Amir in this project.
Yeah.
So our video concept will be about bullying and we got this from a case that happened in UPNM, which is University of Pertahanan Examination, regarding about Zulfarhan which died because of bullying.
So to explain the creative process we will be doing in this project, we will be doing a cinematic video, and we also put some sound effects throughout the scenes, which is the fighting scenes, and lastly we will also use animation at the end of the videos.
As for the project progress, we already recorded most of the scenes, but we haven't started any editing yet. But we will start doing the editing during the week of 13.
So in conclusion, the progress of our video is about 50% and the video will be finished by at the end of this week or by next week.
We hope that from this video project, we will raise awareness regarding bullying and hoping that we will stop bullying.
That's all from us. Thank you.